Hello guys, I'm back with another video. So today I have amazing trading setup for you guys. So today I'm just going to be sharing my trading analysis. I'm going to be sharing how to master swing trading. This is actually episode 3 that I have dropped in this YouTube channel so far. So recently I just want to continue this particular trading episode where I can show you guys trades that I'm looking. So without any further ado, let's jump in. Now guys, looking at my laptop right now, I'm going to be sharing 3 trades, swing trading setups. 3 trade GBPCAD, USDJPY and Bitcoin BTCUSD. So that's what I'm going to be sharing to you guys in this particular video. Okay, so guys, look at this GBPJPY right now. I'm also going to be applying top-down analysis so you guys can see how this thing goes. Now guys, looking at this, as you guys can see, this particular market has been respecting this particular level for the longest time. As you can see, this is a daily time frame, right? And finally, as you can see, it broke the level, right? When the market got here, as you can see that the market retraced back. As you can see that the market has already retraced back to come and test this support level. Okay, so what are we looking at here? Now, this daily time frame is for us to see the overall trend or overall market, right? That's why I put daily time frame here. Now we are going to go to 4-hour time frame, right? So guys, this is 4-hour time frame, right? Now these trades I'm showing you, you can literally take advantage of. Okay guys, looking at this particular trade, as I showed you guys earlier, this is the support. Now market has been respecting this as a resistance for a long period of time, and now market has already tested on the support. Now this place is a valid support. As you can see, market has already bounced from there. Now this particular market is heading here. The market is heading here. I'm 70% sure GBPCAD is heading to 1.86323. I'm 70% sure, guys. Now this is my first take profit. Okay, this is my first take profit. I took this trade from here. And this is my first take profit, and my second take profit is here. Now I'm going to show you guys how I was able to cash this particular trade, how I knew that this particular place is going to reverse. Right now, if you pull up your Fibonacci retracement tool, from here to here, as you can see this 61 and 50% retracement region. As you can see, this particular region price reverse. Now this Fibonacci tool is a confirmation tool. I use it as a confirmation to actually identify where the market is going to reverse, right? So this particular page is already started. Now how I took this trade was that I went to a 1-hour time frame. Okay, went to a lower time frame, which is a 1-hour time frame, and I drew my trend line. As you can see, my trend line here. Market wanted to reverse here, but it was not successful, right? This is the first touch, second touch, third touch, and the fourth touch. The market broke, and now the market retested. So I basically took this trade here. Now I'm going to pull up my long tool here. So I took this trade here. My stop loss was 30 pips, right? 30 pips away. That was my stop loss, and my take profit is here. My first take profit is here, right? My second take profit is also here. So guys, TP1 here, TP2 here. This is about how many pips is this? How many pips? This is 851 pips, guys. 851 pips. And the first take profit is how many pips? This is 487 pips, guys. This is almost 500 pips. That's why you only need like one trade to change your life in this forex game if you actually know how to trade. Okay, instead of you to be trading every day, you just have to relax and wait for a high value trade. Okay, wait for a massive trading setup, swing trading setup, and you're going to make your money. Okay, this is what Dapo Willis used to talk about. You guys know Dapo Willis. I'm a forex mastery student, right? So guys, now a lot of you might be asking, how am I even going to jump on this trade? The trade has already gone like pretty low. It's moving. As you can see, it's moving with full force, right? Now the only thing you can do right now is for you to just go to 1-hour time frame. I'm going to show you guys how you can actually jump on this trade, right? So guys, the only way you can jump on this trade is because you can pull up your horizontal line. As you can see, when market retraces back to this particular horizontal line, okay, when market broke this resistance here, our market retested, you can enter here, right? Now for those that missed here, there's another place again, which is this particular area, right? The market can go up and still retrace back to this area, right? Or you can even pull up your trend line. You can pull your trend line like this. Okay, now markets can go up and retrace back to this particular trend line, right? For another instance, as you can see, this particular area also When market breaks the area and come back and retest, you can still enter the market. Okay, it's still valid, right? It's still valid. I hope you guys understand. Now, before I analyze USDJPY, if you're a trader and you have a problem, you are finding it difficult passing your problem, you can message me. There's a link below this particular video. In the description of this video, you just use the link and message me, right? So I'm going to help you pass your problem challenge. And also, if you have money and you're looking for an account manager, someone that can manage your account and actually make money, make profit in your account, you can also message me. Now before, let me go to USDJPY quickly. Now USDJPY, a lot is actually happening between US and Asian countries, which is China, right? China, Japan, all these things, Trump and all his rules. As you can see, the market is scattered right now. Market is not moving as it's meant to move, because as you can see, this market is supposed to be, as you can see, this market came here and put a higher high, lower high, higher high. Now the market retraced back and gave us a lower high, which is a lower high here. Instead of the market to come and give us another higher high, you can see market broke down here, tested on this strong resistance and started falling. Now it's because of all the rules that Trump is bringing up. Okay, so in that area you can still make money, right? You can still make money. We are traders, that's what we do. Now let me show you what is happening on USDJPY right now. Looking at USDJPY, so you can see market has already made a double bottom right here. For those of you that don't know what double bottom is, I have a video that explains this particular double bottom. I'm going to leave the link in the description also. Now double bottom, most of you already know, is a reversal chart pattern or price action, right? Now guys, looking at this now, market made a double bottom right here. You can see market made a double bottom right here, and what I'm projecting from this particular trade, I'm projecting that this market is going to hit this line, is going to hit this resistance up here. Guys, if this market move from here to here, that is about 500 pips move. Now let me show you how you can actually enter this trade, right? Now if you pull up your trend line tool, from this particular area and draw it like this, draw it nicely, first touch, second touch, third touch, and market broke. Now if you look at this particular setup right now, you can see that the market made a double bottom, broke and retested on the trend line. Now guys, what are you guys looking for? This is obviously a buy trade. This is a buy trade. This is around like 6:12 p.m. I'm not going to take this trade, right? I'm going to wait for extra confirmation, okay? Because this market can literally break down and still start falling. So what are the extra confirmation that I have to do? Now this particular area, if market break this area and retest, or just break, let's say 4 hour or 1 hour candlestick, break above this particular resistance, I'm buying this trade to this particular area. Like, this is a no-brainer trade, right? Now we have to pay attention. I'm not going to take this trade now. I'm going to wait. Is it that New York or London session? I'm going to just wait and see what happens. What happens in this area. As I told you guys, market can break this particular support and still continue bleeding down. Okay, nobody's sure. That's why I put this particular line here. Okay, if market crosses this particular line and market settles above this particular resistance I drew here, just know that the market is coming to this area. So guys, that's it. Now the next trade in our list is Bitcoin BTCUSD. So guys, this is the final one, BTCUSD Bitcoin. Now I just want to quickly analyze this Bitcoin, right? It's a swing trader that I am now. So if you are looking at this, let's just zoom out first. Let's zoom out to like daily time frame. Now if you pay attention to this particular market, let's go to like weekly, okay? Because I would like to see the overall trend of where the market is going. You can see market trended up, gave a double top right here and dropped. Right now, if I pull up my Fibonacci retracement 2, if I pull up my FIB 2, as you can see that the market retraced back into this 61 and 50% retracement region. Right, market retraced back here, and as you can see, the market is pulling up with force. Now for me, what I will actually be projecting in this Bitcoin. So my first take profit, okay, I've not taken this trade. This is a trading analysis, something that I'm looking out for. Right now, my first take profit, if I'm to take this trade, is 110, and my second take profit should be around like 124,000 BTC. Right now, you know, we have to leave room for doubt. Now market can usually see come down and drop, but as for now guys, I just want to show you guys what I'm looking out for. Now if I go to a daily time frame right now we can't actually see much in this particular daily time. As you can see, the market has been in a massive downtrend. You can see lower low, higher low, lower low, higher low, lower low. So a lot of people were actually projecting is for this market to come out. So guys, as you can see, this is a massive downtrend, so you have to really pay attention. I'm going to be showing you guys where I'll be taking this particular trade. Now let me go to a 4-hour time frame. Now if you pay attention to this particular trade, right, I just went to a 1-hour time frame. If you pay attention to this particular BTC USD trade, as you can see that the market bounced from this place 1, 2, 3. This is the third touch of this trend line, and this is the fourth touch, right? This should have been my entry point. This particular area should have been my entry point, but I'm not entering here because why? Market has already made a double top right here. If I pull up a horizontal line right here, you can see this is a double top, and you guys know what double top means. It's a pattern that shows that market is about to reverse. So that's why I'm skeptical. I don't want to take this trade, right? You have to be patient. You have to wait for the market to come to you. You don't chase the market, you wait for the market to come to you. Okay, so that's what I'm doing right now, because I would have taken this particular trade from me, buy trade from me, right? But I'm waiting, right? So what I'm waiting for is for market to actually come and take out this particular high. If market can come and take out this particular high, let's say a 1-hour candlestick settles above here, or let's say market breaks here and retest. Okay, retest. Okay, I'm going to be taking a massive buy, right? Buy particular area. Now if you actually check it, this is about 280 pips, close to like 300 pips to this particular area. Now you guys might be asking, why that area? Now it's because the market has been respecting this particular resistance level for a longest time. Now if this market breaks this my black line right here, I'm expecting it to come to this particular area, right? Yeah, I'm expecting it to come to this particular area, but we have to leave a room for doubt, right? We have to leave a room for doubt. There's another instances, because this is giving us a double top, right? If this market breaks this particular trend line, this is my trend line right here, market breaks this trend line, and let's say 1-hour or let's say 4-hour candlestick settles below this my trend line, and also this my level right here, this my support right here, market settles below here, or let's say for this particular area, I'm shorting and I'm selling this trade massively. I'm selling this trade from here, I'm selling it from here to this area, and you guys know what this means. This is about 700 pips, almost 1000 pips. You guys know, can do the math, you know what this means, right? If you are using 0.01, which is the least loss size, you're going to be making around $70. So guys, I'm just going to watch out this particular area. Now guys, thank you for joining and watching this particular video to the end. Now for those that waited to the end of this video, I'm going to be doing a massive discount. If you actually want to learn this particular strategy from me, I'm going to be doing a massive discount. Okay, I'm going to be removing 50% discount for my original mentorship money, right? Now if you want to learn this strategy, you can use the link below, send a message, send mentorship to me, and I'm going to respond to you, right? And make sure to join my Telegram group, which the link is down below. Make sure to click on the link, join my Telegram group, because I'll be dropping this particular trades there, right? So join me, and peace out.